Feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a
official YouTube channel the ma Fingo Expert. Say nene ready kind of ba. Mesro say over turn on notification bell. We are not subscribe to channel. They want to see bia mra ba video. We are not try to comment section ase. Ya ba ya de humbo ya so bed. E be ma fefefe. And then ko force me video mfa kwan mo fa so use mo phone battery amana cha mom. Wabra on battery nkulu ntem na so mo phone battery no ense de wo se yese no so no se your phone battery no ene kura phone so battery nya phone use no ya mpempi na nya wo dempo na phone no use kura na de bia usu se obenya charger yede e wo nche enti na ebisua bibi afa sa no ma no kwan fa so asia no se ne be ya to phone na ye use phone na battery no nyede enwu ntentem enam se enko phone bibire ntitwi na bibire so brofo so nyede almost a dantinti de profone twi ni be frafra nti ba bi o ya be ka twi na ba bi o ya de ya kan ambrofo ya de amom. So today the video is about how we can protect our phone battery from spoiling, or how we can use our phone battery to last longer for us. So this is all about today's video. Enti yan sha se ne hwe normal ema your phone battery ne de ese area ne ahwe kwan ya fa so ya de abo ho ban ana de ni nyina so ko be de e be frafra. First one say okoto phone no no na box na we ya, you have to charge the phone for about 5 to 6 hours before you use your phone. So when you buy a new phone, charge it at least 5 to 6 hours before you use the phone. This is okoto phone na so charging 5 to 6 hours and sana what you show phone okoto new phone na SSS na ide ontete na de ma phone battery. Second one is when you are using your phone, you don't have to charge it, or when your phone is on charge, you don't have to use it. And say oh charge phone na and say so ko use and a phone no use so and say so charge. And also my battery the essay and pempi no go a go game or video be and the battery ni kolo. Instance all the be so na my phone a charge we answer na koto de na the phone here. Onye ne sa bo se o use phone ni na phone si so si charge. Sa na ese battery ma heat ka phone no pe battery na ho ye den e kire no bo se de bia battery no e so ten enti ense se wo use phone na asan de si charge ana e si charge so anse se wo ye den ko use ye sa na se battery no afi bo se wo use battery na within be 1 year 2 years when so battery na de asai kra de bia bo se wo use ye na wu esi so bo se na ifo esi so bo se na so tete e sa wo na wa na wa de wa se battery nti wo use phone na ense se wo charge na wo charge nso so ense se wo de wo use na e bi mu so se o phone screen brightness no eno so ya de eku battery ne pa screen brightness se bia wo den ma de asa ana anwumra during night or daytime. You don't have to increase your screen brightness like this one. So in terms say wo den mu na wo use phone na butimate so o den na wo use nti de obe your phone na ni bia na obehu de wo ye nti say wo te so but wo abonte na say wo hu phone na ni a na so person brighten o brighten ni a make sure say o phone cover na say wo yi de wo yi the free phone no se na ba ya emfra ma be fa phone no na ma battery na ye de enwu ntem ko phone cover no e generate heat ma phone na heat nso ma di kan ka say ka phone na battery na ye de ewu ntem nti wo abonten say bia summertime mbre wi ma hye pa as I say o phone battery o phone o use so you cover na ye de e di free ho na o screen brightness nso ye de what so say anadwo dia obetima reduce no cry because anadwo suma ba de o ye bia obetima de ehun na wa de wo use say wo ba bi nso na say o phone battery no ewu pa na mpese obe use bi ma na say phone so na ma ye no amre no be bra ba bi ti say ultra power obetim de ato ha o de to ha only calls SMS and calendar are available and so the to na lock here normal between the phone aya say obe ye call obe text message na so be calendar de aka nyina apps na wo so ni nyina be de ebe lock entimi nya hwe de e wo phone no so bi enti eba na san so ebo ama phone battery ne eche kosisi obenya charger na kosisi ba bia free en obe kwa charge enti no so ya de a ebo aye de ema ultra power saving obetim de de ato no aye de wo use and so boa. So when you have traveled to somewhere, you can turn on your ultra power on. It will protect the battery from draining fast. Only calls, messages and calendar that you can view from your phone. That option will protect your phone battery from spoiling early or draining faster. close unnecessary or any app. So apps bi or na unfa nya hwe a ese we free phone no de eso obi o abun say or hwe TikTok conclude app no most of some could be Facebook conclude app no most of the game most of the trap pictures most of the normal be say apps na wa bi ni nyina wa include no phone so ni nyina na use battery ni bi still na aye de e run and this hwe app bi na o da ya de na wi a now you should be you have to close it. You don't have to leave the app on. So after using one app, you have to close it before you go and open another app. All these things drain the battery early as possible. So when you close it, it will make your battery last longer. Turn off vibration feedback. So when you're using your phone, you don't have to put it on vibration. When the more it's vibrating, the more your battery is draining. To say be how you show phone and say to vibration. More na yes na battery ni nyina na ede. So tete ne nti betimi ade. E da to bi a ringing and access silent. Ti da ho a boa ma phone no so yede. Battery na yede eche. Nti sa no mo nyina boa ma phone no so ahode na yede. Ekosoro. Turn off wireless features. Say be am fan say we use phone. Obo we so bon say na Wi-Fi si so. Bon say na Wi-Fi na yede esi so. Na wa so Bluetooth nso ade esi so. The data esi so. The GPS esi so. The GPS esi so yede esi so. The location esi so. Sa no mari esi so ni nyina e bia twetwen battery. So use phone so data esi so a te battery pan, Wi-Fi te battery pan, torch light nso te battery pan. Sa GPS location ni nyina te battery. Ndi se won use phone na obetima turn off. Sa wo ko ba bia obetima so ade esi so. Ndi sa no mani nyina e boa ma battery na yede. So e wuntem na san so ma battery na yede. So ten nti se wo yes ana se wo hye no so se data na ba so ama data no kwa na waso na da ye de odi Wi-Fi kwa se GPS na pa na se location na turn on na se wo charge phone no so na se wo use data wo use Wi-Fi wo use salo dem be boss na se o turn ni nyina off wo turn no off a e bo ma phone na wo charge no e charge tentem ma phone no charge tentem pa nti ese o sa no mano nyina we de udundum no na de wo charge phone se na be ya phone be charge ntem se sisi so na wo charge phone ma phone no bre ansa na ye full ti phone ese de phone de wo charge at least o charger ya a charge 1 hour 30 minutes and 1 hour 40 minutes be bu be 5 hours 6 hours kwa na phone da so so nye full sa no mano nyina so ye de e kan bi na phone no so emfa torch light no ensi so nche ense so torch light ye de isi so che ese wo yusu ni kakra bia ye de odum no se na be ya battery no generate heat ma phone na battery no so nye de emu esa phone torch ni sisu cha ba battery na de ewu intentem. Avoid using your phone while charging. Se na kan o charge phone and say we should na o use so and say the charge na as say o use phone no so a and once my battery ni wadu red line e ka say red line o use phone na e ukura bon sa so red battery no na so red it say we use man boss a esa de bia esa na battery no na we o say at least say phone no use a battery wu e do 30% a esa o de san position and a bit 12 free charger so 12 free charger no so a esa say do 80% into 30-80 when I saw the bia phone no de we use money do ba we say Ghana ha na bebrima mu ha no entimi nye sa ade enti etimi use amanda 1 bo kwa 0 ansa na kwa charger chiri kwa ni nyina no esa battery no enti at least 20% and I say 80% there now I dey what 12 so 20 na dey position sa ande bia nse say o man do red line so yes I no man dey ma phone ho de ne ekosoro ma battery no so ye de eche obetima use ade ache nti sa no man nyina yo se ye de ye shen no so ye de ewo ho avoid extreme temperature so we use phone as phone ye hye a ye hye pa e wo so ja phone use na de to ma phone ajo ansa na wa de wasan so wa de ayusu nti say bia use phone na phone utim say heat pa bia oboge mu hwe video bi nti phone heat ana time na wo na wi abobo nti phone heat pa as say we jai phone use na ma phone e cool down ansa na wa de wasan start use the more na use na abra phone action the my phone battery no so ye de e wu intentem na san so say battery no remove phone cover during summertime say bia o use phone action na say we more share say we use cover na free o charge phone so a you cover na free na fa to phone ba bi you na phone ntimi charge the phone cover na generate heat ma phone to use phone na say we de o de to from now you cover na de you free say na be am fra ma be fa phone no na battery na ye de enwu tentem. Do not use your phone before. Okay, use proper charger. So you use phone, I say auto charger papa the mount phone. Say phone board na battery so a phone battery say ya phone no so ni use ayede. I say nti say auto charger papa the mount phone. So who phone use na charger ayede. What be man ayede. I'm na charge kama mo nti yes dem say we use phone na auto charger papa fama o phone se na be ya bitima charge yi ayede e de amount. Nti say anoma ya be boss nyina be boa ma phone battery na ayede. A charge yi and our phone battery so assigned a charmer. So when you're using your phone, you have to do all these things. Like when you're charging your phone, don't have to use it. Turn off your data, your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, your GPS, your location. When you are not using your phone, you have to turn it off. When you are charging it, you do the same thing. When you want to use it, then use it. Then you reduce your screen brightness. Don't turn on your phone torchlight on for a very long time. Don't bright your phone screen. All these things, when you do this to your phone, it will spoil it. So you have to change it and do it in a proper way. That will help your phone to last for a very long time. Do not use illuminated screen. Okay, kubu use phone or the EBR to the phone and I say video. Say bo amu on sa no man to phone I animation. Most the phone and need most as a video be na dining and ne wallpaper. Sa no man in a battery pa. Nti say we use no so yede e to phone ani as a wallpaper no obeti the normal picture to so nti say wo de no to so nti say ni nyina so ifi so na say we de notification bell and notification tone ana waden so yede e to phone so na ringing tone so say wo te so kakra obo o tanya message pan bo WhatsApp ne TikTok bo nse video notification ba kululum de sa bo se ni nyina e kun battery nti say wona awo sa no man say de bia te sa no man yede eso se ne be ya o battery ne yede emunti ringing tone notification ni na say o de volume ano nye den yede e to so se ne be ya o battery ne na some apps bin so phone so running background so apps ne use ni nyina na ye adwuma so o use phone na da kwa na ne nyina ye adwuma wa background nti say no so o restrict be free so nti bi apps bi wo ha no restrict ne de na after nti o person restrict ya nye adeden bia omia ha no onyo sasi app no so sa de opeso ye ne de no sasi su sa no omia wo sa app info bia ba no oboso a no akọ battery to bo battery na mo sa background restriction no oboso to save battery. Stop listening from using battery in the background. To no oboso restrict and no one say so person save battery na no restrict app na de different we no so with my bia ma apps ni na the one person by no wide wager say na be apps and run background na nye de and say o phone no battery ne entente na ye wo some apps bi so ho a obetimi akwa de akwotwe no Play Store say na be ya no so be boa ma o battery ne heat kana ebe kire ebe show cell phone no heat dodo na why the one stopping enti no so ye de e wo ti kwa ye obi se battery saver de e wo ne o battery doctor ni nyina o Play Store kwa obitima download na why the to phone so na be ya phone heat kana na maybe nko ya ebe show of phone so na why de wo hunu ntem gidi se video yi be boa na ma o phone na fi na ekon sa normal mistakes ni ye nye biem emfa ma ye de the phone na my battery ne say na se to phone so e be hu kwan fa so use my battery ne so ade ache yi se woni gi video hu a mesra se e subscribe to channel ye want to see bia so no atwa to comment section ase na wa turn on notifications see na the video fufuro bia ba on san so be de e be kan tentem na wa share ma do phone so ade ahwe bi e da mu nyina se